Let me show you exactly how to set up an iPhone 15 or iPhone 15 Pro from scratch. The setup process is exactly the same regardless of which iPhone 15 you have, so you should be able to follow along with this video. I have the iPhone 15 Pro here. Let me go ahead and open it up because there are a couple of different things with the iPhone 15 and what's included in the box. So inside the box, you get the iPhone 15. I'll set this aside. This is something that used to come with every iPhone. It still does. Basically, you get an Apple sticker and instructions. I'm going to set this aside. But now you get a brand new cable that you did not have before. This is a USB-C charging cable, not the Lightning one that we've always had for 15 years with the iPhone. Let me just show you this connection up close. So this connection is becoming the standard across lots of different devices. So the Mac computers now have this, and in both sides of this is going to be USB-C. So if you have the old Cube, sadly, this doesn't come with that, so you have to get that to charge your new phone. This one only comes with the cable. You still need the Cube. So I'll go ahead and link one below if you want to get one from Amazon that's a fast charger. Now with the setup process, I'm gonna show you two different things. One is if you wanna set this up as a brand new phone, you could do that. This could be a brand new phone if you don't wanna transfer anything from a different phone. And then I'll show you another option where you take everything from your old phone. So I have an iPhone 14 here and I could transfer it over into my new iPhone 15. And this again is the same for any iPhone you have. The previous model will transfer all your data over. So I'll show you both of those. The one thing you should do with your old iPhone is go to this section of the phone by just sliding down and make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are activated so you could easily transfer this kind of information over to your new phone. Okay, so with the new iPhone, first we want to press and hold on the side here for a few seconds. We should see the Apple logo. This is going to turn on our new phone. So it already comes with some charge here to be able to turn on. Here is the home screen. I'm going to go ahead and slide up here. First choose your language, then choose your country. Then right here, appearance. So you could make things medium or large. That's your appearance for the font size and selection. Press continue here. Now here it says quick start. So you could actually do this without a different device, but I recommend you bring in your old iPhone. This is not going to transfer anything over just yet. This is just to help you with the setup. For example, things like Wi-Fi and some of the other settings will just get carried over. So let me bring in my old iPhone since I have one. And if you don't have one, just choose this option on the bottom. But here it says unlock to continue. So I'll unlock. Now it's telling me to take my old phone and basically hover over this new phone and scan this. And as soon as I scan that, I should see this page right here. And it's going to basically set up my new phone with a few different things. Now my old phone is going to say set up for me. So I could just select this, type in the passcode on the new phone. That was the passcode from my old phone, by the way. And then here it says, do you want to transfer your phone number or do you want to set this up later? I'll set this up later for now. So I'll skip that, but the process is basically called eSIM setup. It doesn't require you to take any SIM cards out of your old phone. The iPhone 14 didn't even have a SIM card. It was always electronic, but older iPhones had a physical card. You don't have to bring those over now. Now, software update. It says update your software now if you want to transfer from your old phone, or you could update later if you plan to download from iCloud or set up as a new device. So this is important. Are you transferring from a different phone? Or in this case, we want to set this up as a new device. So I could say update later. I'll continue here. I'll set up the Face ID later too, but this is a good place to set that up. Just for the sake of time, I'll set it up later. And then here it says transfer your data. So do we want to transfer from our old iPhone? So that's this option, from an iCloud backup, Android or Mac, or don't transfer anything. Remember, I'm going to show you how to set this up as a new phone. So I'm going to say don't transfer anything. Then I have to set up an Apple ID or create one. So if you have an Apple ID, you need to go ahead and type that in and log in. If you don't have one, just say you don't have one, and it's going to walk you through creating an Apple ID. Apple ID is how you download apps and things like that. Then I should get this pop-up. I'm going to say agree. So then after a few seconds, you should see this, make this your new phone. So everything is set up, ready to go. I'm going to press continue. I'm not transferring anything. Enable location. Again, it's going to ask me to transfer my number. I'm going to say later. And there's the action button right here with the new iPhone. So you could read more about that and customize it. Right now, I'm going to say not now. And then right here, SOS, I'm going to continue that. And there we go. We got ourselves a brand new iPhone here. Now here with my new phone, I don't have any phone number attached to it because I didn't transfer that. So to do that, go to settings here. And here in the setting, you see the cellular option. You could go ahead and set this up over here. And then it's gonna bring you here so you could transfer from the other iPhone the phone number. So this is the eSIM. It is a required step. Now, what if you don't wanna set this up as a new phone and you wanna transfer everything from this phone over to the new phone? Well, you have to reset this again as a new phone. So go to settings, go to general, and then if you go all the way to the bottom right here, it says reset your iPhone. This is the new phone, by the way. I'm not doing this to my old phone. I don't wanna lose my information. And here, I could go ahead and reset everything. So erase all content and settings. And it's basically gonna set it up as a brand new phone for me again so I could transfer from the old phone. And in the next video, I'll show you exactly how to do that. Basically how to take a phone that you just got and transfer everything from an old phone onto it, and everything will be exactly the same. So I'll put that in the next video and you could watch it right after this one if that's the direction you wanna go. But for now, you could go ahead and press continue and go ahead and erase this phone.